friends, it's Madison. I'm on Bali Island exploring art forms. Here, they work with wood, textiles, and metal. They use wood to make masks, statues, and an instrument called the gamelan. And the Balinese make gorgeous jewelry. I'm going to learn how to make jewelry using silver. Jewelry making is something I might want to do as a gemologist when I grow up. I chose to make a silver necklace with a plumeria flower. This is a special flower in Bali. Girls wear this flower in their hair. It's a symbol of new beginnings. First, I drew out the design on silver. Then I used metal cutters to cut it out. My teacher shaped it with a blowtorch. This tool is only for adults. I added some detailing. Finally, we polished it using sandpaper and polishing rags. Silver making takes a process, but all in all, it's not too bad. I can't believe in just 1 hour I was able to turn a flat piece of silver into a product. I'll carry this piece with me forever. Thanks for learning about the process of jewelry making in Bali.